Cook good and look good. What's up? It's your girl Queen Jones, back live in the flesh, and thank you for returning back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to cook good and look good. Yeah, this is a Cook Good and Look Good Chronicles. I'm in my backyard catching that golden hour sunlight and smoking a turkey, and I'll have like less than like 5 to 6 minutes before I have to go in the house and watch a show with my sister before she starts yelling at me and she be missing me. Anyway, y'all, so I am over here at the beginning of fall realizing what I exactly want to do to finesse the rest of these 6 months until April. And basically it's an accumulation of me being able to express Queemie Jones, aka Q to the U to the DSIYAH. You feel me? My Cook Good and Look Good content is going to change, and you're going to be able to see exactly what I do on a day-to-day to cook good and look good. I'm giving you better cooking videos, better fashion, better all-around entertainment, y'all. So taking this last couple weeks of warmth and using the things that I have, like for example, my freezer broke down and I pulled everything out the freezer, and I'm smoking this turkey because I'm pretty sure it's some like last year giveaways of them free turkeys that you be getting for like buying a certain amount of turkeys. You feel me? My daddy getting ready to pull off to go to work. So all I know is it's a reduce, reuse, recycle situation. I always like to keep in mind what flavors I like to have before the holiday season and like get to them as fast as I can, because ain't nobody waiting, okay? Nobody. So I'm hella excited to see how this smoked turkey comes out, because again, this was a part of a project, and that is me using what I have to give you exactly what we talk about, to cook good and look good, all on the logo. Y'all, I didn't think that coming back I was going to come back to abundance, because I just was on this page like I was going to have to create and pull stuff out of myself. But right now, God is kind of just throwing good vibes and good energy towards me. Like, I don't really have to stress. I get kind of angry because of like my living situation, and I'll be like, how am I going to get out of it? Because I pass out of shit. But then again, I'll be like, you are going to get out of it because you're being honest and being bold and being sincere. And that's all God can ask of you in times where things are trialing and not necessarily explained, and you can be ominous in situations in life. So I think this time period has been definitely you live and you learn, and you should do something bigger and better with your life. So prepare yourself for that bigger, better, beautiful content from your girl. Collaborations, okay? I am sorry to the people that I collaborated with. I am really working on having good communication and follow through and texting, but you're gonna see some collaborations. That's all in the work. Your girl just gotta get over the non-talking shit sometimes, and I'll be like, oh, feeling like I should be talking, but I don't know. Let me just wait a couple days to see if I want to talk some more in a couple days. And that's not really how talking works, ladies and gentlemen. So fuck what your girl understand. You're going to have to reinvent yourself and evolve sometimes. But thank God the blessings keep on falling on my lap. Let's just say that. I am doing a build up of content with Boston Bossy to be able to launch her channel. We have a studio for Mary Jane and Munchies on development, and I just feel like everything that's coming out, helicopter is gonna be a blessing, like no cap. Like, you're gonna see stuff and you be like, damn, shawty, I didn't even know that she was blowing up like that, because everything I'm doing is so in my bag. Like, yeah, it's so like I got it. It's like, don't worry about it, don't stress, be blessed, okay? And stack that cheese. Stack that cheese. Mother, sister, cousin, stack that cheese. Yeah, y'all, I'm just trying to get to the point where you see what I'm talking about now. Alright? Like, you up here like, And I'm gonna tell you some real, because I don't want to skip over like hardships. I stopped paying for my insurance for Queemie drip, because right now I'm in like legalities and trying to make sure I have all my ducks in a row, so all the next parts of my legitimizing Queemie drip, I have everything I need. I done found out a lot of the times, like, there's hidden costs, there's unnecessary costs, and right now I'm not selling the product, so why am I having insurance on it? I'm not selling it, okay? So when I'm selling it, then it's gonna be insured, you heard? But right now, ain't no point in insuring something that don't need to be insured, because I'm sure I'm gonna sell it. So, you know, unneeded costs are like killer culprits in up and coming black owned companies, I feel like, because we feel like we need to do everything at one point, but if you're not selling the product, there's no need for you to over push yourself. You know what I'm saying? Just do what makes sense and grow. And now I have to invest better and smarter, because I want to just make sure things actually are fluid and to the point where God wants, you know? So without further more, I'm just going to allow God to speak to me and talk to me and love me. And, you know, all my prayers that I have, I'm just going to pray about it and He going to answer. And until that, I'm a devout spiritual dancer. You heard me. It's your girl, Queemie Jones. And enjoy your beautiful golden hour wherever you are. I love you. You are loved. Love yourself now. Bye. Get money. Yeah. Bye.
Pop, you ordered and you were black, and T-Pain was your driver.
God, I know that's right. I saw Young Jock doing that shit too, and I was like, y'all go ahead and get money. I don't know if you think that you are above getting money, but I'm not.
Check 2, 2, 1, 2.